Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here with another video. In this video I'm going to be covering update on Healthier Choices Management Corporation with ticker symbol HCMC. It's trading on OTC markets, therefore if you are using Robinhood you have bad luck, and I encourage you to get yourself another broker, a real broker such as TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Interactive Brokers, I don't know, 212 maybe if you're in England. But there are other options, way better options, and I would rather pay few cents or dollars a fee than being afraid of losing my information, identity, money, or not being able to trade whatever I want to. With that being said in the intro, let's now get into the juicy information. For start, let's see what this stock moved yesterday, and yesterday was absolutely insane, plus 125, actually 131%. And I believe I did video a few days back, and regarding to the issue of this company actually going to sue Philip Morris, because Philip Morris is using their technology, their patents on vapes, which is kind of illegal, right? So they definitely didn't hesitate, and even though the lawsuit, they filed the lawsuit a few months ago at the 30th of November, it actually hasn't taken place yet, and it will be coming very soon, and people on WallStreetBets actually got to know about this stock. It's super cheap, small market cap, and there is a big organization such as Philip Morris, which is like, I don't know, $250 billion company, so they want to take them down as soon as possible, and what better way than buying stocks of a company with whom they stole their patents, their values. So let's now get into the articles. A Healthier Choices Management stock exploded 100% after gaining 800% in January amid Wall Street Bets frenzy. HCMC stock seems to be another beneficiary of the Wall Street Bet frenzy, as the Reddit investing community has continued to aggressively invest in certain stocks. According to the latest data, more than 1 billion shares of the company changed hands. Shares of HCMC, which is focused on providing consumers with healthy alternatives to everyday lifestyle choices, are now up 100% on the day after gaining 800% in January. Well, they're kind of wrong. It's just like a third or fourth of the company's actual business. Mostly they are in the vape sector, but Philip Morris stole quite a bit of the vape sector because they stole their patent, their idea, their product. So this is kind of illegal. And this article is really rotating around Robinhood, and I don't like to talk about Robinhood, so I'll just move to the actual information, which is, if you look in the Wall Street Bets, they have over 8 million members. Oh my god, I remember when I looked here like a few months ago or something just for fun, it was like 1.5 million, 1 million, just kind of small, relatively small amount compared to nowadays. Now it's millions of people, and if they get their hands together and heads together, they can actually move market like crazy. And as we can see, 5 days ago, somebody posted a post about HCMC, that he calls it the new diamond and the new rocket. As we can see, he himself bought 6 million shares, and if we scroll down, there's plenty of responses. I don't know how many, but I think there's like 500 responses. I can keep on scrolling down. So we can see that 2 days ago, someone is not arguing here, and someone correcting the CEO of this company himself, HCMC, has 11 billion shares. So if this is not putting some confidence in you, I don't know what will. We scroll down, it's even more, over 300 more replies, and there's already like 200, as I can see on Reddit Wall Street Bets alone. And even if when it's 5 days ago, it's quite old, it still got the momentum. As we can see, it's over 3,100 upvotes, so it's actually quite hot fire. And if we move to the stock tweets, I've just loaded it like 5 minutes ago, and I have over 100 new HCMC posts. This, if you don't know stock tweets, it's something like a Twitter but only to stocks, and you can post here if you're bullish or bearish on current stocks. You can have some quick thoughts here and there, and it's really good to see what if the stock is actually in trend or not. And as we can see, the stock is crazily in order. I can smell another GameStop here, because people are complaining that people are writing in Italian. That's kind of funny, but People are really complaining that they cannot get into the TD trade, that it's been overloaded, that people are actually buying heavily into this penny stock. So I can see this penny stock moving maybe 200% today, even maybe more. It's really hard to tell, hard to predict it, because WallStreetBets people are quite unpredictable. But we can see that almost 30,000 people are very much interested in this stock, in this penny stock, and it's just absolute chaos. The market hasn't even opened yet, and I've been checking it for some time, and people are really going heavy on this penny stock, and I can see definitely really big potential in this. Maybe I could possibly name this video next GameStop, and I wouldn't be really too far away from it. We can see TD is fucking me, but not in a fun way, running up digits. He's referring to WallStreetBets because members of this community call themselves degenerates or autists or whatever, that they just don't really think about the fundamentals or what, I don't know, they just go big into some companies alone or together. But right now it's more of a together play. But yeah, before it used to be that one person goes crazy buys crazy amount of options with some companies and just doesn't care at all. And here we can see that somebody bought a billboard in New York, and we can see that GameStop go brr. It's like a kind of meme in my generation or people around my age. They made so much money they can afford to rent these billboards, and it's ridiculous. And I can see very much similar story with HCMC actually. And it's not even, the chart is not even available. I am afraid that people might have actually shut this stock down because of how big of a volume is there going on right now. And I'll try to edit this video as soon as possible, so you guys can make even some intraday move on this one. And I hope you're gonna succeed with this penny stock. I hope I brought you some value. If I did, definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new upcoming videos, and click on the thumbs up as well. Both helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me. Also, let me know down in the comment section below what are your thoughts about this stock. Do you think this stock will go brr? And do you think this stock will go to the moon, to $1? We shall see. Definitely leave a comment. I read most of my comments if YouTube allows me to. I read through them, I reply to them, and I give you my honest opinions. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.